Hi guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Barsha. Or welcome to my channel. I'm so happy because my parcel सब आ गया है and I'm gonna open it all together. Okay, let me be comfortable at first. तो मैं ऐसी हूँ ना, जब भी सामान आता है, कुछ भी पार्सल आता है, मैं directly खोल देती हूँ because I don't have the patience to wait and then make a vlog and all of that. और मैं एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा सामान नहीं मंगाती, तो I thought it's of no use, Every time I think about making a vlog of unboxing or a haul or a try on haul video, ऐसे ही होता है मेरा. हमेशा मैं खोल देती हूँ सब कुछ, तो फिर मूड चला जाता. तो ये सब एक्चुअली मैंने नहीं खोला है क्योंकि मैं जब आइसोलेट कर रही थी रूम पे, तभी सब कुछ एक साथ आया. सब कुछ एक दिन में नहीं आया, लाइक एक दिन बाद आया, which is why I didn't open it yet. इसी बहाने चलो मैं एक हॉल वीडियो कर लेती हूँ and I'm very happy क्योंकि finally I'm gonna open it. आधा मैंने ऑलरेडी खोल लिया है. couldn't wait, like I said, patience नहीं है, पर वो भी चलो मैं वो भी दिखा दूँगी आप लोग को. And I know a lot of you can relate to me, especially the girls. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. I know खुद जाके शॉपिंग करने का वो भी अलग मज़ा है, पर I prefer ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग मोर क्योंकि बिस्तर में लेते ऑर्डर कर दो, बाथरूम में बैठे ऑर्डर कर दो, कुछ भी करके ऑर्डर कर दो. एंड आई थिंक इट्स मच कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी. आई थिंक रिटर्न एंड डिलीवरी का भी इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. अगर आप नए हो मेरे चैनल पे, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट ऑन दिस वीडियो. एटलीस्ट सब्सक्राइब तो कर देना प्लीज़. बहुत मेहनत लगता है वीडियो बनाने में. जो भी हो, I hope you like this video and let's get started. First item I'm gonna show you is from Bongaigaon, जो मैं अभी पहन रही हूँ, ये वाला. It's a baby tee. L size में मंगवाया है क्योंकि M लेने से थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही क्रॉप हो जाते हैं and I didn't want it. Like I already have some baby tee which are really cropped, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा लंबा चाहिए था and I think this fits really well. I like the length और sleeves and everything and it's so cute. Price मुझे याद नहीं है, but I'll check and write it down here. ठीक है? तो वही है. ये पिंक वाला halter neck है. I love the material. Actually, I said all these are nothing new. नया collection से नहीं है क्योंकि जुलाई में ही मंगवाई थी, जो बहुत देर बाद है because of the lockdown and all stuff. So yeah, another sleeve वाला. It's also super cute guys. ये भी Bongaigaon से है. One thing I love about Bongaigaon, it's so affordable and so stylish. I mean, I'm glad I have come across Bongaigaon. So yeah, Bongaigaon corner, sorry. This is the next one is another halter top. ये वाला. Beauty white. Can't wait to style them. Another one is this, my favorite. This is a crop top. It's so cute. Look at the color guys. It's so cute, the color. I think I'm gonna order some more of this. The next one is my favorite item, which is this. Oh, this is a Super Mario. The reason I started shopping from Bongaigaon's corner is because of the oversized t-shirts. You get so many in different. It's just so cool and price is also very reasonable. And the material सबका बहुत ही अच्छा है. So the next item is in this box, जो मैंने already थोड़ा सा खोल लिया है, फिर भी आपको दिखा रही हूँ. First item is this blue aqua kind of crop top. Look at the color guys. It says $6.99. Second. Oh, this is really common guys, but I love it. अभी तक तो a lot of you must have already have it. So cute guys. You can wear it, pair it with anything. It cost me $799 rupees. Like I said, जुलाई को ही ऑर्डर किया था लेकिन अगस्त में आया and I think I'm uploading this video in September, so sorry guys, but I was sick and also couldn't do it. तो ये है, ये बहुत बहुत प्यारा. Next item is this dress, bodycon dress. This is also the basic one. It cost me 799 rupees. It's very cute and very comfortable. The material is so. Is this oversized white shirt? Look at this. I love how the sleeves looks. और पीछे में ना ये ऐसा है तो ये चीज़ होने से the shape looks really good. Size S and I got it for 1499 rupees. Next item is this blouse. I love white. White पहनने से everything looks nice, so I love white. इसलिए मैं white में लाई ये blouse को. I wasn't really sure I'll get it or not, but then I just got it क्योंकि it looks cute. So yeah. This also cost me 799 rupees. Here's another box. Let's open this. Okay, so the first item is this. I'm looking for the one, you know, होता है ना वो जो same color or this. It's high waisted, so it's gonna fit really well. It cost me around 12.99 rupees, but I think I got this in discount. Okay, so the next item is this pants. Not pants actually, trousers. I was looking for a very long time. You know, पहले मैं skinny jeans and all बहुत पहनती थी, but now when you know the flare jeans or the boot cut jeans जब वापस आया trend पे, when I started wearing it after I grew up, I'm like so comfortable. Skinny jeans though I have totally forgotten. I have not bought one I think for a very long time. The trousers and all are my like you know new favorite. The next item. Wow, I love this color. It's so cute, so nice. Like I said, I'm obsessed with trousers. और ये दूसरा trouser है. I bought the same one in two colors. इसका भी price was somewhere around 1499, but after discount, and I'm so happy. ये भी size S में है. Look at the color, and the best part is it's not transparent. I can pair it with anything, crop top shirt, t-shirts. Last item that I got from H&M is this. Even this I was eyeing for a very long time, but I wasn't sure should I get it or not, but then I just got it. Chuck it. It's this pair of slides. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can't wait to wear them. Okay, the price is $12.99, but I got it in discount. It was somewhere around $9.99 if I'm not wrong. I'll write it down. Now I'm gonna show you. This is a rare one actually. This I got it from Myntra. ये actually नया है. Like it just came today. ये और कुछ items I ordered together, लेकिन वो सब सामान अभी तक नहीं आया है. लेकिन मैं इसको दिखा दूँगी. This is also one of my favorite color. Can you guess कौन सा कलर का है और क्या चीज़ है? So I'm gonna reveal it, and I love. Oh my god, it's a lavender shirt. It's so nice. It's from Mango. I love it. I love the color, and I cannot wait to style this. It's so nice, the color. I don't know if the camera में आप अच्छे से देख सकते हैं कि नहीं, लेकिन इसका कलर बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है और प्योर कॉटन है, which is why it's gonna be so comfortable to wear. Summer तो ख़त्म होने वाला है फिर भी, like और 2 महीना बाकी है, but it's perfect for this weather. It's so nice. It's from the brand Mango, and I got it in really good deal. So इसका price है 2990, almost 3000. लेकिन I got it in just for 1800 rupees because of the discount. So the next item, Lily by Ruth, जो कि Instagram page है. I think this is my second order from that store. पहले भी ordered a overcoat. I love the quality, which is why I thought this time again I should get it, and it's quite cheap. मैंने इसको अभी तक नहीं खोला, it's totally packed. So let's see. there's a note by Lily by Ruth. Let's see. It's perfect. I mean, it's so summery and so cute. Look at this, guys. The print and everything. And the best part is it's just 650 rupees. I mean, it was 550, but with the shipping charge, it was just 650, and I love it. I wasn't expecting it to be like. So yeah, thank you Lily by Ruth. It's really cute and I love it. So आज का last item है ये जो मैंने एक again Instagram page से ही order किया है. Obviously I cannot afford to buy the original one. It's like way too expensive. So I got this. This is a copy, I guess, the first copy. Let me open. Packaging तो बहुत अच्छा है. It's written LV. Yes, it is Louis Vuitton bag. Quite common. ऐसे है तो में. Let's see what's inside it. Okay. So it's gonna be like a belt. It's original though. It's somewhere around 40, I think, 40 or 50, which I'm not gonna ever buy. इतना expensive से one bag. ये वाला जाएगा इधर. Oh yeah, look at this. It looks so nice and so pretty. Ah, nice. Okay. And so chic, and I know it's gonna go with everything. The fact that I've been looking for this from a very long time. देखा है इसको. I looked for the website में original website में तो it's very expensive, so I was looking for the copy only. Then finally I found one and I got like really good reviews. बहुत सारा good reviews था. It's called Make Life Trendy on Instagram. Do check it out. And then I got it. So now my room's a mess, and I really hope you guys like the video. I was planning to make a haul video for a very long time, लेकिन like I said, मैं इतनी patient नहीं होगी. मैं wait करके मैं खोल देती हूँ सब कुछ. But from now I like ये lavender वाला शर्ट जो अभी आज ही आया, लेकिन मैंने already खोल लिया. बाकी सारा सामान का सारा I could have opened it, right? But no, patience नहीं है. क्या करूँ मैं? जो भी हो. I hope you guys like the video. Please give a like, comment जो अच्छा लगा है आपको, कौन सा आपका favorite है, and also comment if you want to see me doing such videos in future again. And yeah, also please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And yeah, that's about it for the video. I will see you next week. Please take care of yourself, and yeah, that's it. Bye. Love you.